Humans have taken over her woods and her cave and killed her people. All she can do is run and run forever. Who will find her traces thousands of years later? Who will glimpse at her lost reflection in the waters of the river? The drunken director of the puppet show lurks behind the curtain. Unloved, he envies the feelings between Gina and Radu, who dance around the stage among puppets. The world outside is hungry for revolution. So will this puppet tyrant last? She misses her father, who never answers the phone. At her old house, she's afraid to knock, so in the dark, she presses her face on the window. The sight will take her breath away. The last cowboy in New York State swears he'll shoot anyone who comes for his horses. He has a new apprentice, an international student from Eastern Europe. She'll soon learn how to fall off a horse, a lot, and how a Cadillac can save a business from bankruptcy.